Hello, my name is Karina and this is a presentation of my inquiry into Australia's diminishing water supply and its effect on flora and fauna. Australia is an extraordinary continent for habitation, being the second most arid continent in the world with exceptionally flat land area and unfertile ground conditions. These dry conditions make it difficult for flora and fauna to flourish and force a number of animals and plants to move habitats. Today, the issue of water resource management is frequently in question, as water levels are decreasing in many parts of Australia due to increased temperatures caused by climate change. Australian water reserves are noticeably reducing in rivers, lakes, dams, and aquatic animal species are weakening. Concerns are building over the increasing temperatures caused by drought conditions in many parts of Australia. These conditions cause competition between ecosystems, which exacerbate loss among plant and animal species. Australia's inconsistent and often lack of water puts immense strain on flora and fauna. There are a number of areas in Australia that are continually affected by dry conditions, which inhibit flora and fauna reproduction. At least 1/3 of the animals on the National Endangered Species List are at risk due to the imminent climate change. Aquatic ecosystems are greatly impacted by lowering water levels in rivers, lakes and dams, most often caused by drought in Australia. Many fish have declined or become extinct in certain areas. Drought conditions cause water evaporation and temperatures to increase, which reduces oxygen levels, affecting fish and other fauna. Aquatic flora, such as the prominent and well-known red river gum tree species, is depleting throughout a number of areas. The red river gum tree, found around the Murray River region, houses a large number of animals, including 2 rare species of parrot. Plant and animal ecosystems have a unique partnership. If one species suffers, so too does the other. However, Australia does have a large number of highly adaptable animals and plants, built by and for its harsh environment. For example, the well-known red kangaroo does not breed during periods of drought, and when the drought breaks, reproduction begins at a rapid rate. There are a number of impacts on Australian water resources, with increasing population numbers and climate change being at the forefront. To manage the use of this resource, the Australian government has implemented a large number of legislative documents and policies used at a state and national government level. So what can you and I do? The use and management of water is a responsibility of each individual. It is also managed by states and territories and at a national level. Each state and territory implement management plans, so it is imperative to implement appropriate management plans, ensuring that the demand for water by societies and ecosystems is met when conditions change. Many individuals around Australia have already implemented water-saving initiatives in the home, such as water tanks, reducing the demand for drinking water. This type of initiative can be carried out on a wider level in schools and in workplaces. Another way we can assist in saving water for a sustainable future is reusing water. These measures save water will assist in the protection of our ecosystems. In addition, effective conservation plans are required to ensure flora and fauna have optimal chance for survival from the projected environmental change.